Hi Kudoz, this is me Anika and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. As we all are celebrating Republic Day on 26th of January every year. So today, I'm going to speak a few lines on Republic Day. Republic Day of India is such an occasion which the children wait the most eagerly. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949 to become an independent republic. After India became independent, the Constituent Assembly was announced and started its work on 9th December 1947. There were 22 committees in constitution making, of which the drafting committee was most essential and essential. The drafting committee, and in particular Dr. Ambedkar ji, framed the Constitution of India in 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. People celebrated with a patriotic fervor across the nation. It was the day when the dominion status of India changed into sovereign, democratic, and republic nation. The Constitution of India provides 6 fundamental rights to its citizens, which helps them to lead a comfortable life. The Constitution also gives the right to choose the government in the hands of its citizens. Its celebration takes place in almost every part of the nation by every individual. Children participate in various activities to be get rewarded. It is the day when we listen to patriotic songs broadcasting on TV and radio all around us. On this day, the President's state ride in Delhi is taken out. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is decorated like a bride. Soldiers of the regiment, Navy, Air Force take part in it. The President and the Prime Minister of our country advise all countrymen to live in solidarity and mutual affection. Schools and colleges also celebrate Republic Day by unfurling the national flag and singing national anthem. Republic Day makes us all realize the importance of democracy. So I hope you liked watching this video and happy Republic Day to all of you, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.